Hi there, what's up? So today I'm going to demonstrate you my app, which namely Shopify. And this app is for music vinyl shop or album shop. And as you can see, this app built using backend Postgre, Apollo, GraphQL, and Node.js. And in front end, I use React Native and Expo So as you can see, we have two folders here, the back end and the front end. So let's dive you to the back end where the data is manipulated or stored. So here we have a helper. This build this backend built with token so that anything who wants to enter the app will be authorized or the app will be safety in spy or hacked. So we have here the token and the DB2 that is connected in the Postgre here. So also we have the resolvers, which is the GraphQL. So in a GraphQL, we need to code it here so that in the Apollo we just have to insert or operate our data or our functions. So we have query, which displays the data, find or search, while the mutation is the function or behind every method that will manipulate the data, like to add album, to edit, or to delete. So we have also here cart. They are just the same GraphQL, but the thing is I separated the name or the file so that I can be easily edited it. And also this is linked with Postgre function so that the functions will not be coded here but in the function, so that it will be easily more readable and more maintainable. So you just have to properties in code. See, you just put anything here in our response, then we have to fetch everything resolver in here, so that in the index we're gonna run it to our server, which is the Apollo, which that Apollo is a tool for GraphQL that will insert or try to make the function works. So let's try this, the Apollo. So this is what it looks like for Apollo, and Apollo has as a GraphQL as behind it is a GraphQL, which is the code I've let you see. So we have query and the mutation. So for example, in query, we have to query the customer. If the customer one is available, yes, it is available. If we need to add, yes, we can add, or anything that what happening in the data or behind the app. But the thing is, we don't want the user to go to Apollo to put anything they want, right? So we have to build a front end or the UI. So in the UI, we have here the Apollo client, which will fetch, or the middleware of the back end. So we have here the GQL. The GQL will be getting it here from here, so that we can implement this to our UI. So it will be seen in the UI. So let me see. Let me run our front end to let you see. So just this is mainly for the mobile, but I will let you see the inspect so that we can see the network, the source, or anything behind it. behind the front end, but this really built for mobile. This is the web, and we're gonna let you inspect. So this is what it looks like in the console, right? Console and the elements, network, performance. Let's try the network so it will let you know that this is really from the back end or from the GraphQL. So let's log out. When I log out, this is what I look like. There's nothing now connected in the GraphQL. So let's try to log in or register. Noel Avila, please hire me, gmail.com, please hire me. And address, I put address here so that because it is a shopping app, and this is the address and phone number is just useful. So, and when you register, see the GraphQL will detect here that it is really from GraphQL. And done. It will be stored in our data now. Then, and if you log in, oops, wait, there's no token, or that means we need to sign up again. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let's try this, if this is gonna work. And yeah, before it is the email is already existed. I tried it before. So yeah, this is the response, the GraphQL, the network. This all thing is connected in the back end. So I'm gonna let you see what's in the front end. What's in the front end when it is originally in mobile. So yeah. So this is what it looks like when in mobile. I am using an Expo Go tools. It is a emulator in mobile so that it will be displayed as a mobile app. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You can do anything as a shop. That's all. Thank you.